In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Gmail at once. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring it's as smooth and easy as possible for you. We all know how important it is to keep our digital space organized, and clearing out your Gmail trash is a vital part of that. Having a cluttered trash not only takes up valuable storage space, but it can also make finding important emails more challenging than it needs to be. So, let's streamline this task. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Gmail website. Once you're signed into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of different labels, and you might need to scroll down a bit to find the More button. Click on it, and it will expand your options further. You're looking for the trash label, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the trash section, take a moment to scan through the emails that are there. Although we're going to delete everything at once, it's still a good idea to see if there are any messages you might want to keep or restore. If there are any, move them back to your inbox or to another folder of your choice. Remember, once we perform this action, it will be difficult to recover any accidentally deleted emails. Once you've decided which emails to keep and which to permanently discard, it's time for the main action. At the top of the trash page, you should see a message informing you that the messages in this folder will be automatically deleted after 30 days. To clear them out instantly, look to the right of that notification. There you'll find an option to Empty Trash Now. Click on this link. A pop-up will appear, asking for your confirmation. This is because the action of emptying the trash is irreversible, so make sure you're entirely certain about your decision. If you're ready to go forward, confirm the action. In just a few moments, all the emails that were once clogging up your trash folder will be completely removed from your Gmail account. There you have it. Your Gmail trash is now empty, freeing up space and possibly even making your email experience faster. This is also a good habit to practice regularly, as keeping your email tidy can improve your digital efficiency and peace of mind. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks. Keep your eyes peeled for our next video, which will help you manage other aspects of your Gmail account efficiently. Until then, happy emailing.